Hi everyone, welcome back to the Puttering Penman. Today we are going to be talking about how to clean a cartridge converter pen. So I have two pens here. This is a Pilot Cocoon. It has a Pilot cartridge in it. And then this is a Pilot E95S. It has a Pilot converter in it. So I'll show you how to clean out a cartridge converter pen today. A couple things that are useful when cleaning out a pen. Paper towels. You'll of course need water, which is why we're by a sink. Q-tips are helpful for cleaning out the cap. And then I have some plastic cups here that I used to fill up with water. I labeled them fountain pens so I know. So I can reuse them, and also so I don't throw them away if I have pens sitting in it and I don't notice. I'm a little more careful with those. And finally, a bulb syringe. This is optional, but I'll show you how to use this in a second and why it's useful for pens. So first thing, just gonna uncap the pen, unscrew the body. First we'll start with the cap. First thing, I'm just gonna fill it with water. See some ink came out. So some ink came out there, and now I'm just going to clean it out with the Q-tip. There's actually a lot of ink in this cap. That's not usual with fountain pens, but I do find that the Pilot Metropolitan and Pilot Cocoon tend to have a bit of ink buildup because the nibs just leak a little bit of ink over time from capping and uncapping. Okay, so now here's the nib and cartridge, so I'm just going to take the cartridge out. You can throw that away. And so now, with a cartridge converter pen, just going to run water through. Let me do this so you can see it. Through the nib and section, and you'll see, it starts cleaning out with ink. A lot of ink is still coming out. I'm just going to clean up my sink for a second. So now, this is an optional step that you can do, but I like to use a bulb syringe because it helps clean up the nib and section and feed faster. So I'm filling up, let me move over here, filling up this cup with water. Then I'm going to fill up the bulb syringe with water. And now over in front of the sink, I'm going to switch hands so you can see. I'm just going to squeeze water through the nib here. And you'll see the water is just a little gray still, and it'll eventually get clear. Okay. So that's good. And just one more time. And now what I like to do is, I like to you can see just from drying the nib already how dirty this paper towel got. So now using the dry cup, I'm going to put the paper towel in there. And I'm going to set the nib so it's nib down with the nib directly touching the paper towel because that'll absorb the extra water out. And I'm just going to put the cap in there also. Okay, so that is how you clean a pen with a converter, with a cartridge. Now let's do the pen with the converter. So filled up the water again. Pen with the converter. Gonna take it apart again. So you can see here's the converter. This converter uses a piston mechanism. I'm going to take this out. First, we'll just clean the converter. So I'm just screwing the piston back and forth to get some water in and out. Now I'm going to shake out the converter. And now in this water right here, I'm just going to suck some ink into the converter. My hands are wet, so I'm going to dry that off so I get a better grip. Okay, I'm just going to let that water sit in there so the ink will have time to dilute, and then it'll be easier to just shake the water out of the converter. Okay, now with the nib and section, this will be just like we did with the pen with the converter. So now I'm just filling up the bulb syringe again, and okay, that's good with the bulb syringe, and then I'll clean out the cap. This cap is actually going to be pretty clean. Okay. And then I will set that pen to dry in another cup with the nib in a paper towel, and that'll be it. That's how you clean a cartridge converter fountain pen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.